Okay, today we got a Battle Lane Volume 5 bootleg. Now this one had flickering sprites, and the fault was this 273 here. The board switched on, so I'm being careful. 1273 here and a 161 here, and there's also a 161 fitted in a 163 space there. That'll probably change. Oh, there we go. Let's watch it run. Oh, yeah, there's the bad chip. Straight to the bin. Yeah, on this one especially, the tanks were all flickering, and the bike was flickering, especially when there's more on screen. That car would have lines through it. So yeah, 161 2 times 273s. Now I've got to finish the adapter. Just wire the controls. There we go. Nice little cool game. Old school.